Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Oppo in India, the Oppo K1. So Oppo K1 is a recently announced device which is priced 16,999 and comes with the really good hardware. It has a Snapdragon 660 and it also comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, which is something which we have not seen in this price segment. So we have seen the in-display fingerprint scanner on flagship smartphones, but below the 20K price segment. This is the first time we are seeing the in-display fingerprint scanner, and Oppo K1 is the first smartphone below 20K with the in-display fingerprint scanner. So Oppo K1 also comes with AMOLED display, dual camera setup, pretty good battery capacity as well, and it is priced well as well. So overall this device looks pretty good in terms of the pricing as well. So in this video we'll do an unboxing, we'll talk about the device, we'll show you some camera samples we have taken with this device. So let's get started with unboxing. So this is the box package. You can see the Oppo K1 and we have the blue variant with us. So there are two colors, black and the blue variant, and the back panel of the box mentions the specifications. 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is included, and you can also see the SAR value. 1.278 is the head SAR and 0.86 is the body SAR in case you are interested, and the voltage rating for the charger is 5V 2A, so that's the basic 10W charging included. Now let's open the box package and have a look at the device. So opening up the box, you can see the Oppo's box, and inside this you get the case included. It's a regular TPU case. Along with that you get the warranty information and also a SIM ejector pin. Then inside the box we have the device. You can see this is the blue variant. So that's the Oppo K1 in blue color. You can see that the blue color looks really nice. The gradient color is pretty attractive, and you can see the sides also have been given a blue color, so that's something which is pretty good. The bottom panel houses the micro USB charging slot, a 3.5mm audio jack and the speaker unit, and the left side houses the volume rocker keys and the SIM tray. The right side includes the power button. The top panel does not have any openings or slots. The back panel has the dual camera setup. It's a 16 and 2MP camera combination, Oppo's logo, and the front panel has the 25MP water drop notch as well as the selfie camera and the in-display fingerprint scanner. So that's how the device looks. Now let's see what else comes inside the box package. So opening up you get this adapter. So let's just see the voltage rating. So you can see that it has 5V 2A, that's 10W standard charging, no fast charging supported. Then you have the standard charging and data syncing cable included. It's a micro USB charging and data syncing cable, and finally we have an earphone included with the box package. So it looks like a pretty good earphone quality, but we'll test out later. But then one thing to note that not a lot of smartphones offer earphones at this price segment, so Oppo has included it, and that's something which is pretty good. Now let's see the device. So there you go, that's the Oppo K1. Now we have booted the device. So this device comes with a 6.4 inches Full HD plus resolution display, and this is an AMOLED panel. That's something which is really good Oppo has done. Not a lot of smartphones offer AMOLED panel at this price segment, and you can see that the display quality looks really great, and the colors are pretty vivid, and the viewing angles are really great on this device. And apart from that, there is also Corning Gorilla Glass 5 support, so that's something which is really good, and overall the touch response also feels very smooth. So that's the display aspect. Now let's move on to the software. So this device comes with a ColorOS 5.2 version, and let's go to the about phone. You can see that ColorOS version 5.2. The Android version is 8.1. That's something which is not that great for a phone released in 2019. Especially Feb 2019, it should have been Android 9.0. Now the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core chipset. It is 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and you get 46.5GB out of the box. And the Android security patch level is from Jan 5th 2019. So that's the software aspect. So this device comes with a lot of additional tools and options like theme support. Then we have dual app, split screen, phone manager, and a whole lot of features are included just like any other Oppo smartphone. So this device also comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. So we'll also have a look at the in-display fingerprint scanner. So you can see this is the in-display fingerprint scanner. We'll just test the fingerprint scanner performance. So you can see that it's quite fast, not the fastest like the rear fingerprint scanner. Oppo and Vivo have really good fingerprint scanner performance, but then the in-display fingerprint scanner is a bit slow to react. So you can see that It does take a second extra, but then it's definitely one of the latest trends we have seen on smartphones, including the OnePlus 6T. Now another important thing about this device is the dual camera setup. So this device comes with a 16 megapixel primary camera with f-stop 1.7 aperture and a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. The camera setup looks quite similar to the Realme 2 Pro. So the Realme 2 Pro camera was pretty good, so we expect the camera on the Oppo K1 also to be pretty good. Now it also comes with a 25 megapixel selfie camera, and this is included in the water drop notch. So now let's have a look at the camera UI. So if you have used an Oppo smartphone, this is the same UI we have seen even on the Realme. So this is pretty good actually. You can see that a lot of modes are included. Let's go to the video recording mode and see the options available. So you can see that 1080p resolution and even 4K resolution is supported, which is really impressive. Oppo has done at this price segment. And let's have a look at some of the samples we have taken with this device. So here are some samples we have taken with the Oppo K1 after unboxing the device. We'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. So we'll also compare this smartphone with other phones in this price segment to get an idea about how good the experience is. So we'll be covering those videos in this channel, so stay tuned for that. The phone also comes with a 3600 mAh capacity battery. Although there is no fast charging, it's still a good capacity battery. We should expect around 1 day of, or slightly more than a day of usage with the Oppo K1. So we'll talk about all those things in our detailed review. So this was unboxing, hands-on and camera samples from the Oppo K1. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.